folks, to Energy Advantage, your trusted source of everything roofing and solar. Today, we have an important topic. Roofing materials. What? We're gonna dive into the age-old debate of whether the old school traditional materials versus the modern materials, basically which one is better. We're gonna explore the pros and cons of each material and basically how to help you to make an informed decision for your roof and your home. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so let's begin by looking at the more traditional materials that are out there. When it comes to traditional materials, they have more of a classic aesthetic. They, of course, have a rich history. And more often than not, they're historic for a reason because they're durable. Some of these materials are asphalt shingles, wood shingles, clay tiles are among the most common. So what are the pros and cons of these materials? The pros are classic aesthetics. They are proven to be durable, obviously depending on the material you choose. One is more durable than the other. And they have a natural insulation. What are the cons when it comes to these materials? Well, they are prone to weathering. Some of these materials can be maintenance intensive and, of course, limited design options. Now, let's compare it to the more modern materials that are out there. As technology advances, so do our roofing options. The wonderful thing about this is that they are getting really innovative and efficient. So here are some of those materials: metal roofs, synthetic roofs, and solar tiles. Now, what are the pros and cons of these materials? Pros: long lifespan, energy efficient, low maintenance. And what are the cons? Well, higher initial cost, limited in color choices for some of these materials. Listen, we're living in an environmentally conscious era. More and more people are caring about the environment. And the impact of roofing on the environment is actually pretty crucial. This simply means that more and more homeowners are choosing eco-friendly roofing materials. So, how do you choose the right roofing material for your home? Here are some things that you might want to take into consideration: the climate that you live in, the budget that you have, the efficiency of the roof, and pretty much the aesthetics. So modern materials might be more energy efficient, more sustainable, while as if you really care about aesthetics, then you might want to go more for the classical look. So obviously you want to do your own research or hire a professional that can give you the right information that is catered to your needs. The other option is that you can actually blend traditional with modern. And don't forget, technology is always evolving, so you never know. Maybe a more suitable roof for your needs might just come out soon. That's it for today, guys. Just a quick video for you. I hope this video was helpful and informational. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, if you would like us to give you a roof quote or a solar quote, you can click the description box below for more information. Have a good day.